So let's see today's delicious sweet potato kheer. Now here I've taken 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes and soaked them in some water for 10 minutes and then really scrubbed off all the dirt and washed them really well. Now I'm going to pressure cook this in my pressure pan for 1 whistle on high and simmer for 5 minutes. Let the pressure pan cool completely, and then we're going to, once it comes to room temperature, we're just going to peel it. Now when you cut them, they should easily cut. That means they're really cooked well, just like a normal potato. And it is a little pale yellow in color on the inside. Now once it comes to room temperature, I'm going to peel it. And then we're going to cut it into small cubes. Like this. Now I'm going to be using 4 tablespoons of jaggery or ghee, half a cup of coconut milk, or you can also use regular milk if you don't have coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder, and I have a few turmeric leaves at home. You can use that, otherwise you can skip it if you don't have it. So let's start with the recipe. So I'm going to heat a pan and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. Spread the ghee evenly all over the pot. Then I'm going to add the sweet potato and just saute it a little in the ghee so it absorbs that lovely ghee flavor. This recipe gets really ready very fast because the potatoes, also sweet potatoes, doesn't take much time to cook. Now I'm going to add the coconut milk. Stir it well. Regular milk can also be used, but the flavor of coconut milk enhances this taste of the kheer. Now I'm going to add the jaggery. So we're not using any sugar for this recipe. And stir gently till all of the jaggery dissolves. Mix everything well, but be very gentle. See that you don't break the sweet potatoes. Now you're going to add the elaichi powder or the cardamom powder. Mix everything very well and let everything come to a gentle boil. Now I'm going to add the turmeric leaves or the haldi leaves. Whenever you add this to any kheer, it always, just brings out the flavor of the turmeric in it and it tastes really exquisite. So if you can get your hands on these leaves, there's nothing like it. They are available mostly during the monsoon season, but otherwise, they grow throughout the year if you put them in your garden. So the aroma is just incredible with this haldi leaves. Turn off the heat, remove the leaves using a fork. So they've nicely flavored the kheer and our lovely kheer is all ready to enjoy. This is really delicious, especially, and I'm going to add some cashew nuts, just optional, to make it even more tasty. I love sweet potato. How many of you all love sweet potato? Do comment in the comment section below, and I hope you try out this recipe.